Ooh-wee.
Oooo Whee family, listen, from the pan to the plate. You know, I'm on this thing where I'm just using all kind of leftovers, you know what I mean? To show you how versatile Oooo Whee can be. You know what I mean? So, Oooo Whee family, listen. I love chicken, you know, so we're gonna do some chicken, cornbread, rice dressing, you know, with some Brussels sprouts sauteed, you know, Brussels sprouts sauteed, and some peppers, onions, and we're gonna roll. Let's get it. So I got some cornbread that was made. We're gonna take that, put it in this bowl right here. You know, whole cornbread, real cornbread, you know. Oooo Whee family. We put some rice in there like that, family. You know, put that in there. Then we're gonna season it, family. And I'm mixing the seasonings on this one, family. We got some good heat. We got some you need me. And then I got my chicken broth, you know, that I got here that I'm shaking up. We're gonna put that there. Pour a little bit of this broth in there. We're gonna put this in. Put the Brussels sprouts in here. So with the Brussels sprouts, put them right in there. Let them get nice and caramelized. Put that down there. Leave it on the high heat so we can get that nice crisp to it. We're gonna take our cornbread dressing with rice, mix it. I ain't never heard of that. Me either, Oooo Whee family. You know what I mean? So, look family. You see that? See that? Yeah, family. So, we'll cut this one down. It's almost like I'm gonna make a big old pancake. You know? It's gonna be dressing. We just gonna put it right in there. We ain't gonna play with it. We're gonna just bam, like that. You see that, family? And we just gonna put it right in the pan. We ain't even gonna play with it. Look at that. Just like that, family. Smash it down, let it cook. Put that there. Let this go. Just gonna put it in there, family. Let it go. Chicken breast. Put all that in there. That way it's all heating up together. As grandma used to say, well, I ain't gonna say that. I ain't gonna say that. I ain't gonna say that. You see that caramelization right there, family? See that? Nice little caramelization on the back. Put them down on the front. Let them go. Oooo Whee family. Family, listen. I know I was quiet for a minute, but the reason I was quiet is because I was just making sure I got everything rolling while I'm talking to you. So, Coming up, we got Oooo Whee Reality TV. It's gonna be fire. Meaning, it's gonna be live. Won't be no editing, won't be no scripting, won't be no just what you see now. We edit a little bit now, but we ain't edited nothing. I was told either you mess up and get it right, or you just do it right. All I could say was okay, family. I'm about to have some fun. Listen, for the spices, the good heat. You need me, Sweet Tang Unlimited. Get your mind right. Seafood boil. You know, we got all of those. You just go to the website. You can go to OowWheeTV.com. It's 13 different flavors on there. You know what I mean? 13 different flavors on there. And also, family, I need your information. So when you go on there, be so kind, give me your information. Be so kind, give me your information, family. Look at that. Family, be so kind. Give me your information. When you give me your information, I can keep in contact with you. I'll be sending you texts and everything. You know what I mean? Then you can't say, well, he didn't text me. If you put your information in there, I'll text you. You know what I mean? Family, look at that. See that? That's that cornbread rice. You know, I don't even want to call it stuffing. We're going to call it cornbread and rice. We just mixed a little bit together. We had that left. Instead of doing all this different stuff, put that together with these nice Brussels sprouts, you know, and a little bit of chicken broth in this pan. I have to heat up a little bit more. And we're going to go from the pan to the plate. Real quick, real simple. I'm going to make a nice little chicken au jus for you. We ain't going to thicken nothing or none of that. We're just going to, you know, we're going to keep it real good, real simple, you know, for you. I like this right here, these Brussels sprouts. That's how I like them. And we're going to take got a nice little caramelization. We're going to take our peppers and put in there. Right there. Take the peppers and put in there. Then right here, we'll just put our green onion right there. And just let it all sit. And as it's sitting, we'll hit it with some You Need Me. Just like that, family. Let it sit there on no heat. The pan is hot. So I don't want them to be so mushy. That's it. Just like that. So now move them around, family. We'll be good. Then when that comes out, I'm going to take this pan and put the broth in there, move it around, and pour that right over the top, family. Like real simple, real quick, real easy. Nothing crazy, you know. See, when you start doing stuff all these different ways and things like that, you don't know. But you do know Oooo Whee. Oooo Whee. Family. So let's get it, family. All right, so we're going to go here first. Gonna put that down. Look at that. Family, look at that. Look at that. Can you look at that? You going to the restaurant? Tell them you want that and see what they tell you. Actually, family, you know what? I'm gonna turn that around so y'all get the. Yeah, there we go. There we go, family. I'll put this in here. That's it. That's all I want, family. Shake that up. Let that go. Just broth it. Real broth. Just like that. We just let it boil. Reduce. Brussels sprouts. Here. Brussels sprouts here. Just like that, family. And guess what? I'm gonna leave this in the pan. I like that. See that caramelization on there? Oh, that's burnt. No, it ain't. I'm gonna season that. You just let it go, let it go. Once it started to reduce, then I'm gonna add a little bit of cream to that for you. I wasn't gonna do it at first, but give you like that, almost that Thanksgiving flavor. You know what I mean? Almost. But you're gonna be like, nah, that's Oooo Whee flavor. And listen, you still can take some Oooo Whee and season right over it. Show me any seasoning that you can do this with. Oooo Whee family. Oooo Whee family, show me. Look at that. Oooo Whee family. Here we go. Look at that. Almost gave you that gravy consistency. If you reduce it, you could, but I'm not going to do that. Because I want to still have a nice brothy flavor to it. And right after that brothy flavor, I'm going to take that and put it right in the center. And family, we're going to have at it. Listen, don't forget, go to Oooo Whee TV on our YouTube. Subscribe, like, comment. Then, family, go to our website, OooWheeTV.com, and order your spice, family. Order your spices. Order your spices, family. I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you, family. I'm waiting on you, family. Family, look at that. You see that, family? That's the broth that you want. So that way you say, family, look at that. Lean with it. Rock with it, family. Oooo Whee. Grab your chicken breast, your rice, your cornbread, your Brussels sprouts. Make your dish. I'm gonna let you name this one. I just gave you everything it is. Oooo Whee.
Swinton Images Media Group.